In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Meta Pixel on Kajabi page. We're going to walk through the full process of grabbing your Meta Pixel ID from Meta Business Suite and adding it into Kajabi so your page can start communicating with Meta properly. This is useful if you want to track visitors, build audiences, or improve your ad performance later on. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it clearly from start to finish. First, head over to Meta Business Suite. Once you're inside your business settings area, look for the section called Data Sources. This is where Meta stores the assets connected to tracking and event collection, including your pixel setup. After you open Data Sources, click on Datasets and Pixels. In this area, you'll see the tracking assets available in your account. Find your active pixel and click on it. Make sure you're selecting the correct one if your business has more than one pixel listed, because you'll want to install the one tied to the website or campaign you're working on. Once the active pixel is open, click on Events Manager. This takes you into the more detailed tracking section where Meta gives you access to settings, diagnostics, and the ID you need for installation. From there, click on Settings. Inside the Settings tab, you'll find the ID number associated with that pixel or dataset. Copy that ID number to your clipboard. This is the key piece of information Kajabi needs in order to connect your site with Meta tracking. Be careful to copy only the ID number and not any extra spaces or surrounding text. That helps avoid errors when you paste it into Kajabi. Now switch over to your Kajabi dashboard and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Kajabi, go to Settings. This is where Kajabi houses site-wide configuration options, including integrations with third-party tools like Meta. From the Settings area, click on Third-Party Integrations. This page contains the built-in integrations available for your Kajabi site. Scroll down until you find the Facebook Pixel option. When you see it, toggle the switch to On. Turning this on tells Kajabi that you want to enable Meta tracking on your site. After the toggle is enabled, you'll see an empty field where you can enter your pixel information. Paste the ID number you copied from Meta directly into that box. Double check that the number pasted correctly and that there aren't any missing digits. Since this field is what links your Kajabi page to Meta, accuracy matters here. Once everything looks right, click Save. That's the final step. Kajabi will store the integration settings and your Meta Pixel connection should now be in place. At this point, your Kajabi page is set up to work with your Meta Pixel through the ID you entered. If you want to be extra careful, it's a good idea to return to Meta later and confirm that activity is being detected after visits start coming in. That helps you verify the installation is working as expected. A quick tip while doing this process: make sure you're editing the correct Kajabi site, especially if you manage multiple websites under one account. Also, if you copied the ID earlier and the field doesn't accept it properly, simply go back to Meta settings and copy it again fresh. Small copy and paste issues are one of the most common reasons integrations don't save correctly. And that's it. You've now installed your Meta Pixel on your Kajabi page by locating the correct pixel in Meta Business Suite, copying the ID, enabling the Facebook Pixel integration in Kajabi, pasting the ID, and saving your changes.